how to judge the strength of a balance sheet, evaluate the strength of a balance sheet. We understood reserves and surplus. Uh, More this figure, stronger is the balance sheet. Number two, debt equity ratio. So debt equity ratio also gives an idea about the strength of a balance sheet. How does it give you an idea about the strength of the balance sheet? How do you calculate the debt equity ratio? So debt divided by equity is your debt equity ratio. So please tell me, there is a company whose debt are 5,000 and whose equity is 1,000. So debt equity ratio is 5. This is company A, and there is a company B whose debt is 1,000 and whose equity is 2,000, and therefore the debt equity ratio is 0.5. So anyone can please tell me which company? Company
B is
absolutely
better.
right.
B is
B
better.
is better, right? B is better because जितना आपके पास में डेट ज़्यादा होगा उतना आपकी फाइनेंशियल रिस्क ज़्यादा है, और जितना आपके पास में डेट कम होगा उतनी आपकी फाइनेंशियल रिस्क कम है. तो अगर आपकी फाइनेंशियल रिस्क कम है इसका मतलब बैलेंस शीट स्ट्रांग है. अगर आपकी फाइनेंशियल रिस्क ज़्यादा है इसका मतलब बैलेंस शीट वीक है. Third thing that you can do is look at the current ratio. So how do we calculate the current ratio? So current ratio is CA current ratio, CR, current assets divided by current liabilities. I am sure you know what the current assets are as we have discussed, and I am sure you also know what the current liabilities are as we discussed. So अगर एक कंपनी की करंट एसेट्स 200 है और करंट लाइबिलिटीज 100 हैं, इसका मतलब उसका करंट रेशो 2 है. और दूसरी कंपनी है उसका करंट एसेट्स 100 है और करंट लाइबिलिटीज 200 है, तो उसका करंट 200 है, उसका करंट रेशो 0.5 है. तो विच इज़ अ बेटर सिचुएशन, द फर्स्ट वन, ए और बी?
First one.
Obviously, right? Now if normally speaking, it is, this is how it is. Okay. These are the numbers. This is how you can use them for ascertaining, and this is what my recommendation is you must do. So as you have seen, it is so simple to calculate debt equity ratio, it is so simple to calculate a current ratio, and it is so simple to find out reserves and surplus because these numbers are available in the balance sheet. So as I said, this is what you should do tomorrow. Calculate all these numbers and you will be happy when you come to conclusion, because when you are able to take a decision based on these numbers, I'm sure you will find it extremely satisfying. Now finally, what are the key aspects of financial statements analysis? तो बैलेंस शीट हमने समझ ली, अच्छी बात है.